Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the My Lovely Coin token. Ticker symbol is MLC. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing in about 6 days starting March 13th. This token is also available now, and we're going to go over how you can get it now before the listing as well. And so yeah, we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it says, founded by Clement Lebras, which is the ex-founder of Lilo.org, 6 million active players per month, and 10 million euros in revenue. My Lovely Planet is the Web3 mobile game designed to protect the environment, accelerated by Ubisoft Labs and powered by Polyhon blockchain. The game, My Lovely Planet, is already available on the App Store and the Play Store. My Lovely Planet has more than 1.5 million followers across all social networks, including Instagram, X, and TikTok. So, huge project. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put up right in the corner of the screen here, at My Lovely Planet 1. Has a full link tree there. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go. You can see they do have a huge Twitter following. 302,500 Twitter followers. Now, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed March 13th, 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate, or Gate.io. So that is one way you can get the token, March 13th. That's in about 6 days. You can get it off a Gate. Now, it also says, though, that it's already available on Lbank, Uniswap, and Mexc Global. So you can get it right now 6 days before the Gate listing if you wanted to, off Lbank, Uniswap, or Mexc. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So if you wanted to get the token now, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MLC, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says the concept is simple. When you plant trees in the game, we plant trees in the real world. Our goal is to create a community of 100 million players to act together by 2030 to plant 1 billion trees, clean up 1 million tons of waste from the ocean, protect biodiversity, so 40,000 endangered species. With My Lovely Planet, you can play an ultra-fun game, meet and challenge millions of other players from around the world, and protect the Earth. It's the simple and fun way to act for the climate that the new generation has been waiting for. We are part of Ubisoft Entrepreneurs Lab, Station F, and we have won the Unity for Humanity Award, one of the most selective gaming programs on the planet. We address the fast-growing $100 billion mobile gaming market with an innovative value proposition that appeals to the new generation. Our vision is for the game to become one of the main worldwide casual games for 100 million active players that contribute to protect the Earth. Now, their mission and vision, it says, when you plant a tree in a game, we plant one in the real world. a never-seen-before concept. My Lovely Planet is the first play-to-save game. The main concept is that everything you do in the game has a positive impact in the real world. For instance, we already talked about the trees, but it says they donate also 15% of the revenue generated from in-app purchases to NGO partners that take action in the real world, and 15% will go to the Environmental Treasury as well, Environmental Protection Fund. And they have the founder's track record, so they show the founder and all the things he's done in the past. It says, our mission, the first play to save community, climate change is fueling a mental health eco-anxiety crisis among children and young people, some of it fueled by social media and much by a feeling of powerlessness. More and more people are concerned about climate change. Our first mission is to unite 100 million players from around the world in the first biggest play-to-save community to plant and protect 100 billion trees by 2030, clean 1 million tons of plastic from the ocean, and protect biodiversity and animal welfare. Our second mission is to create the biggest fund for environmental protection thanks to the My Lovely Coin token. Also, gaming and blockchain for the environment. Technology, gaming, and blockchains have the potential to be one of the most powerful tools to unify and empower people to help save pollution, climate change, and dramatic loss of biodiversity. Three of the most pressing and hard-solving issues of our time. My Lovely Planet is also a story about inspiring a new generation to be creative and to find new solutions for our planet. Our vision for My Lovely Planet is to become the global leader of the mobile gaming industry and major contributor to the environment thanks to the mobile game that gives everyone the power to act while having fun and meeting new people. My Lovely Planet, MLC, and NFTs are based on the Polyhon blockchain, a layer 2 of Ethereum. We all heard that blockchain is really energy intensive and polluting, so how could you make an eco-friendly project on the blockchain? It's possible because there's two different blockchain technologies. One is proof of work used by Bitcoin, and the other one is proof of stake used by Polyhon and Ethereum. So if you want to learn more about proof of stake and all that type of stuff, the market, the business model, roadmap, team, press and partners, all that type of stuff, whitepaper.mylovelyplanet.org has all the info. And like I said, this token is being listed soon on Gate. And then right now, it is available on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.